Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so glad to be back. Today's video will be a easy and simple makeup routine. I am going to use just 3 products to do this look. So look at this look. So this is really simple and this is really easy for beginners and also for those who don't love makeup. So I know everyone will be having a foundation, having a lipstick and also a eyeliner. So only these 3 products you needed to create this look. So if you wanted to know how I achieved this look using just 3 products, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm going to start up by using the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Colored Corruption. This is into a orangish peachy shade, so I prefer using this one so that I can use the same as a concealer or a corrector. So I have dark pigmentation and a dark circle. So in order to remove those things, I'm going to use this, and this is a matte lipstick, and you need to be careful using this immediately dry off after applying. So what I'm going to do is I just took a damp beauty blender so that I can blend it easily. For those who don't have a beauty blender, you can also use your finger, but the way of application should be much faster compared. So I'm not like that much faster doing this. So what I'm going to do is I prefer using a damp beauty sponge. So normal sponge will be doing, like, you will be getting that square things in market for 40 rupees, so you can prefer that also. So compared to the first video, I can definitely find a change on my under eyes and hyperpigmentation just because I started using some good skincare products. So I will link it in the description box, you can check it out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just applying this on my under eyes. So I'm going to put it like dots, like 1 2 3 4 5, and then drawing it off. Just because this dries off easily, I'm going to do my first side, then I'm going to move on to the other side. Now I'm going to take my sponge and working on. This leaves a orangey shade, but I can't ensure that this completely removes your dark circles. Like, it reduces the intensity, that's what I can see. And working on the other side. This is how it looks right now. So right now I'm going to take the Lakme Perfecting Foundation, liquid foundation. Lakme don't have much shades, like they only come in 3 or 4 shades. So I didn't get my perfect shade, so I'm using this one. This is in the shade Natural Pearl, and I'm going to dot it on my face. This is a liquid foundation, you can see the consistency, it is liquid, like, and you can't expect much coverage. Like, I don't need a heavy coverage on normal days, so that's why I prefer using this one. So let it sit on your face for about 3 or 4 seconds so that the consistency of the foundation gets thicker, and you will be able to work on that. So I'm going to use a hand fan to dry it off. Yeah, so you can see it has dried off, and I am going to work it off using the beauty blender itself, or else you can use your finger also, but for me I am convenient using a beauty blender. Yeah, So this is the base, this is how the base looks, and I am also dragging the excess product which remains in the sponge to my neck. Yeah. So the thing is, some will be having doubt like regarding this setting. Just because I'm not going to set, I have normal 2 combination skills, so I don't need a setting thing. But for those who have oily skin, you can definitely set it out using a compact powder. So you can definitely see the difference. The intensity of dark circles has reduced. Now I am going to use this Lakme liquid liner and going to work on my eyelid. On normal days, I don't prefer using a kajal just because removing is little bit difficult task. So I prefer using eyeliner. So I'm going to line up my lid. So I always prefer starting from the middle of my lid. So eyeliner is done. So what I am going to do is I am just leaving the eyeliner to dry off, and right now I am going to move on to my lips. So I am using the same stick from Wet n Wild, and again I am dotting it on my lips because I just don't need over coverage on a regular day. So and again I am going to use my ring finger to spread it all over my lips. And again what I'm going to do is, instead of using a blush, I'm going to use the same lipstick and just dotting it on my cheek. One small dot is enough. Now spreading it using my finger. So that will give you a flashy look. So let my eyeliner dry off and I will do a trick. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking the same eyeliner from Lakme and I am just applying a coat on my finger and I'm going to work it as a mascara. So what you need to do is you need to pull the eyeliner from the roots of your eyelash. So you can apply the same on the lower lash also. So I'm going to repeat the same on the other eye. So it's done. So this is the final look I came up with using just 3 products. So if you wanted to know from where I bought this earring, these are from Paris Bond. I will attach your site link in the description box. So if you do like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up. So until then, bye.